Welcome back. We had a very fortunate week, to say the least. This is week 2 of our Rapid My FOREX Funds trading account. We're still in the process of getting the account. And this is our week 2, this is our first month. Last week we got 2.1%, 2 trades. No, one trade, and yeah, just one trade, but placed 2 trades that week. Just one trade. We managed to cover, at least avoid losses on the second trade, so that's what really helped us to manage to get to our target this week. So what happened, what my plan is actually to get the Rapid account. We need a 3.5%, like 3.5% 3 months in a row to get like around 10% to gather your funded earnings, so you can get above the 3.5 shallow. So it's basically a minimum of 3.5. That's what they allocate to your funded earnings per month. My plan is to just get the 3.5%, and that's it. Even after I get the account, my target for the month will be just 5%, nothing more, nothing less. That's really all. Yeah, that's all. So my target for the month is 3.5% until I get the account. And well, last week we got 2.1%, and it was AU, and yeah, it was AU that got us at 2.2. Then we lost 0.1 on CJ. And this week on Monday, not even like on Monday, we got a good opportunity to place a trade on AUD card. It doesn't really trend much, but it's trending now. So well, set up the schematic, boom, boom, boundary formed. Was breaking this boundary, but it was very sluggish. So my trigger for entering this play was really after I broke the boundary with this first candle, this first down candle, broke the boundary. We waited, it didn't enter. The next candle, we showed that the bulls were not willing to take at the bears did not take advantage of that. They did not take advantage of their current advantage. They didn't take advantage. That was just, they didn't keep going down for a while, so I didn't still enter after that. Then the bears now pushed a little bit more to the downside. This third candle showed me that the sellers are there, but they are not strong. But as weak as they are, the buyers are still not. They don't have enough power to take it back up. Combined with the fact that this is a downtrend, it means that the sellers are more likely to continue pushing, because this level is somewhat of a very heavy level to this blue line, very solid level. So that was honestly my intention. The buyers were not solid. Buyers didn't just have solid ground. Combined with the fact that it was a downtrend, it was not really the best combination of signs. Let me see what the daily candle look like. Solid low candle, solid down candle, then boom, solid, pretty solid. But as you've seen, the play did not TP, the play did not take profit. So when I placed this trade, I placed it after this candle, this last green candle here. So I placed this trade here at 9035. The plan was to take it here because the 1 to 3 is a reward at least. So I think what did I use as criteria for the what's it called? Exits. Okay, I think it was here. Yeah, I was here. Let's use here as the criteria for the exit. So I placed the trade around like 1 p.m. I don't know. I remember. I think it was 1 p.m. So when I placed the trade, I placed the trade. So I slept, like this was around like, I don't know, early in the morning. Yeah, and that's 6 a.m. So when I woke up around like 6 a.m., I saw that I already had 1%, like that giving me like 1%. My lots I currently use if it's a 20 play, I use 0.35. So I'm risking 0.75 per trade. I 0.35, 0.7 practically, 0.35, 0.35, 0.35 for every 10 pips. If it's 20 pips, I use 0.35. If it's 25 pips, and even I use 0.3. If it's 30 pips, I use 0.25. Yeah, that's roughly how it is. So this was 0.35, and AED card, I don't know what's up with the market. Like, I don't know what's up with this particular currency because it has some weird, I don't know, the lot size is somehow diminished, so I just add a little bit. I think 0.2 or 0.1. But the point is, at this level, it was already 1%. So I already had 2.1%, and I just got 1%. And I just woke up, so it was like, I'm not in the mood to be, keeping up this. I don't really think the 0.4 more, no, it's 0.3 more, 0.4, 0.4 more is worth it, really, because I had exams later in that month, like later in January. I have exams later in January. At least I did. So I was like, I can just get this done now and I'll be done with it. That was all. And yeah, I managed to get it done. So I just closed it at 1% and at 3.1% up for the month. So I'm done for the month actually. I just keep keeping my trades per day, and that's all. We're up 3.1% for the month. Yep, we're up 3.1% for the month. I hope this 10%, this $10 will be enough for me to do my 3.01 lots plays per day, to not get fucked by that. That's not the best way to go at all. So yeah, that's really all. But we did the first exam before, and what happened was we didn't backtest. So the upcoming weeks and upcoming videos will be next two actually. We basically just backtested, that's all. To keep being consistent, quantity over quality, at least for now. We need to make sure we do it. At least we come and we show up practically. We just show up every week, show up every day. But mainly every week at least for the week. So that's all. 1% up. I'm done for the month. It's February and March and April. I'll try and gather the remaining 10%. Hopefully you'll see how it goes. I will see how it goes also. So that's all. Forward is the only direction. Forward is the only direction. That's all. See you.